Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to move rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so there are basically three ways how you can move rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and I'm going to show you all of these methods. So the first one is to select the rows you want to move, and you can select one row you want to move or you can select multiple rows. If you click on the selected rows and hold your mouse button, you're going to be able to move the rows up or move the rows down. And as you can see, they have been moved to here. Let's add some name to the task so we can see that they are really moved. So select the rows and just move them up. And as you can see, they have been moved here. The second option is to use the menu bar. So if you select the rows you want to move, click on edit here and you're going to see the move here. The only disadvantage of this approach is that you can only move your selected rows only one row up or down. And the third option is to use the cut feature. So select the rows you want to move, click on cut and paste wherever you want them to move. So as you can see, now they have been moved here. So now these are the three ways how to move rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.